Hey, this is an awesome pizza that we developed a few years back. Super unique, fun flavors. This is what we call the birds and the bees. All right, first thing we need to do is we need to get started on the sauce. So I've got my Ranger here. Let's get it started up. We're gonna do Frank's hot sauce. So 1 part Frank's, 1 part honey. Woo! That's hot stuff. I like to add a little bit of either some type of berry syrup, or this is just a blueberry preserve. We'll add a little bit of that in there as well. While that's reducing down, we've got our pizza oven over here started. We've got it up on high. I'm gonna bring it up to about 600, 650 degrees. What I did is I did some chicken thighs. We had some leftover chicken thighs that we ran on the smoker. I just diced those up. We're gonna use that into the sauce, and that's what's gonna be our meat. All right, so the sauce is reduced down. It's getting really bubbly, getting really sticky. We're just gonna add that chicken into it. All right, we got the chicken all reduced down, got it all warmed up, got just amazing flavors coming off it. We're gonna go ahead and pull that and get started on our dough. All right, just grab your dough, whatever you're using. We're gonna start in the center, start working our way to the outside. Okay, let's start building this pizza. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna use honey as our sauce. Okay, so just drizzle your honey on there. Try not to get it on the pill. And I like to get it right on the edge, because when you taste that crust and you got a little bit of honey on there, so awesome. I'm gonna take some of this fresh mozzarella, take in that chicken. We're gonna take some good blackberries, lay those on top. Take some fresh thyme, sprinkle that over the top. Fresh grated Parmesan. Guys, birds and the bees right there. All right, we are 625 just right. We're gonna go right to the center. So just make sure when you throw it in there, we don't wanna touch it for a few minutes. We wanna let that crust develop. If you do jump in there too quick, it's just gonna tear the bottom. All right, guys, this has got all the colors I'm looking for. I've got the char on there. I've got the dark brown. I've got the light brown. Oh, man. All right, guys, this pizza turned out awesome. If you want to check out some of our other pizza recipes, check out these videos and go over to campchef.com.